Hello, everyone. Thank you for being part of the webinar today. Our topic for the webinar is 3D Custom Builder, visualizing, designing, and building using 3D Custom Builder. It's basically one of the series for the overall 3D product that we have created. If I introduce the speakers for today, it's going to be myself. I'm just going to give you a quick intro about the company itself. We have Pooja Naik, who is the lead business analyst at Royal Cyber. We also have Parveen Kaloi, who is the technical lead at Royal Cyber, and he has worked quite efficiently on the product itself. If I just quickly take you through to the agenda, so I'm just going to give you an overview. As I mentioned before, Pooja will be taking over and giving you a quick insight on what the 3D builder is, the business challenges that it tries to resolve, the product features that it has, how do we get started with the 3D custom builder and how we can use it for your website, how you can connect everything with 3D custom builder and how you can use it efficiently. The business benefits that it brings when you use it, there's going to be a complete demo on the builder, and we just have a testimonial from one of the clients that has spoken quite positively and has seen some great improvements on the website because of the 3D custom builder. If you have any questions, you can drop it down in the chat, and after the presentation, we're gonna be answering those questions. Um, I'll just quickly go through the association of in Royal Cyber. So we've been partnering with multiple platforms. So there's BigCommerce, SAP Hybrid, Salesforce, HCL, Magento, Adobe, Adobe AEM, and others. And we are partners with Commerce Tools. So most of the major platforms that are out there, we've been partners with them, and we've been growing quite well with them. We also look into the cloud and digital transformation side. So we are partners with Microsoft and ServiceNow and GCP and others. And we also partner quite effectively with integration partners like Avalara and Bloomreach and others to provide a wholesome 360-degree solution for our customers. If I just quickly skim through our customers, so we work within the B2B and the B2C space. So we have customers like Fletcher Building, RSC, Augusta Sportswear, which are in the B2B space, and they've been our customers for quite some time now. And there are customers like ANF and David's Bridal and others who directly deals with the B2C scenario. So that's the kind of customers that we have served so far, and they've been part of the Fortune 500, Fortune 1000 companies, and our retention rate is quite great. So we've been serving these customers since a decade now. So that's the kind of dedication and commitment that we show towards our customers, and that's why they love to work with us. A little bit about Royal Cyber and the awards and the client recognition that we have received so far. So we've been one of the very few companies that has received multiple awards on best and brightest companies to work for. So we try to create that engagement and a culture for our employees, which satisfies them in the right way. Uh, we've been awarded as one of the top cloud consultancy company in 2020. We've been part of the American Awards. We've been finalists for the CIO Awards and the Best Design Awards. So we try to innovate, we try to create a culture for our employees, and we try to provide the best environment for our customers and employees alike to provide you the best results. Uh, I'll just hand this over to Pooja, who's going to be taking this further and giving you further insights on what 3D Custom Builder is. So yeah, over to you, Pooja. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brian, for the brief. Hi, everyone. My name is Pooja Naik, and today I will be giving you some insights of our solution 3D Custom Builder. Today's customers have higher visual expectations than ever. Since everyone is moving to online businesses want to show their products as realistic as they can. They want to let their customers design their own spaces with variety of different products within single space along with 360-degree rotation, which is a challenging part for businesses nowadays. When it comes to online shopping, product images, and fitting the product in a space with correct measurements are most important factors consumers consider while purchasing the product. Nowadays, customers are ready to pay more for a product if they visually see it beforehand and are convinced of its shape, color, dimension, and many other vital aspects. As per the current analysis, conversion rate increases when you replace traditional product images with 3D configuration. Our solution lets you create your own cabinetry, bathroom, and kitchen with your own personalized touch along with it. In 360-degree rotation, different color tones, design, and dimensions, different product accessories, parts, features, colors, materials, etc. And on the top of these, customizations is the key to it. Nowadays, businesses spend huge amount of investments on their product catalogs creations and creating product variants with correct measurements. With the help of our product fitments feature, a customer can easily select his own room dimensions and measurements and can visualize the products real time within their own space even before making a purchasing decision. Our solution lets you customize all different products that a customer would love to add within his rooms. That includes different types of cabinetry, bathroom products, and kitchen products. This will definitely help businesses create their own product unique catalog. It's a SaaS-based solution and it's easy to integrate with any of the e-commerce platform and digital medium using our powerful APIs and SDKs. Let me give you a short overview on a 3D custom builder. Our 3D custom builder will let customers easily create their personalized cabinetry, kitchens, and bathrooms with different color tones, designs, and dimensions on their own. Also, businesses spend huge number of investments on product catalog creation and their variants for taking correct furniture measurements, exact texture, color for their furniture products, and provide real-time customization experiences. Our solution will provide business users create unique product catalogs using different configuration rules based on their stock and inventory. With our in-house 3D Plus solution, it's easier to create different 3D models for your room and furniture products, and it will give your customer a unique shopping experience. Let's talk about some of the major business challenges faced by businesses while providing virtual space and room arrangement experience to their customers. As we understand, customers nowadays deliberately seek out personalized experiences with 3D capabilities to get real life experiences. Around furniture industry, customers expect liberty to customize and personalize the different products like cabinets, wardrobes, and kitchen trolleys, and tops, chimneys, etc. of their own choice, and let them buy the customized creation. On the other hand, for businesses as well, maintaining current marketing catalogs is very boring and tedious as they keep the same set of designs every time. But when it comes to custom furniture expectations from customers, they spend a huge cost and time for maintaining their catalogs. Nowadays, in market, many businesses are already providing furniture, kitchen, and bathroom accessory products. But being a market differentiator and providing a tailor-made customization experience has always been a big challenge to this industry. Businesses are lacking in providing real life experiences to their customers as they don't want to get involved in complex operations that requires to implement customization process and management of multiple 3D assets. To provide this kind of experience, investment is a good technical expertise is required, which businesses hesitate to invest in. Ensuring the accuracy of measurement for furniture products is critical to customer satisfaction and can be a challenging to achieve as well. On the top of these, providing customer service for a customized product experience may require additional resources and training. Maintaining quality control during the customization process is essential to ensuring customer satisfaction and maintaining the reputation of the business, which sometimes businesses may not give importance to. Implementing a customization process can be expensive, requiring significant investments in technology and resources. As the customization process needs a proper workflow management, managing it between different roles and users can be very time consuming and complex as well. And because of these different business challenges, businesses are sticking to their old traditional ways and losing high returns because of not understanding the current customer needs. After evaluating all of these significant business difficulties, Royal Cyber has developed several customization features that are included in the 3D Custom Builder. Having 3D visualization and customization capabilities under one roof is a furniture business offers several advantages like improved customer experience, streamlined operations, increased efficiency, improved quality control, cost savings, and much more. Our solution gives customers with real life visualization experiences that allow them to imagine their goods in their bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and as well as a smart space management that allows them to organize all of their products inside the area. This function will assist them with accurate measurements and the free flow of their product layouts. Customers may use a custom builder to make their own bespoke items as well as fit the product into the area to see how it will appear before even purchasing it. As our builder offers various room arrangement customization levels specific to bedrooms and their cabinetry, kitchens, bathrooms, and so on. Choosing a wall tiles, flooring customization is another key feature of it, where customers will have insights into what kind of wall tiles, flooring they would like to add in their room arrangements. Setting a measurement of your room or area before you begin customizing your product is the benefit of our builder, where clients may reference their own room dimensions for purchasing the items. In addition to standard furniture goods, our builder includes a function to add doors or windows as well in your room space to make a consumer more comfortable while adding a product with accurate measurements in the room space. Because businesses would grasp the right dimensions and accurate product upfront with consumers customization level, businesses can undoubtedly avoid upfront product expenses, which will aid in the reduction of building costs as well. So, how do we get started? The very first one is a product request. Our product has a very simple onboarding process. You can just sign up for our free trial during onboarding and start with the free trials. We will guide you throughout all of our features and will help you with your product request. Secondly is 3D or 2D generation of a product. Once you're onboarded, you can create your own product requests and those will be sent to the 3D team. We're also having our in-house team, in-house 3D team, just for your information, if you're looking to create and manage your 3D assets. With our solution, any of the 3D team can understand the product request created by user in our portal and start generating 3D assets. Review and configure. Upon 3D conversion by 3D team, user can review the product request and based on the requirements, configure the product. Once you're happy with the 3D models, you're good to publish and your product is on in your e-commerce platform. We have ready-made SDKs for our 3D custom builder that you can easily add in any of your e-commerce platform and you're ready to use them. You also have a flexibility to modify the same based on your requirements and your branding. As I mentioned before, our solution supports most of the e-commerce platforms. Supporting includes SAP Commerce Cloud, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, BigCommerce, Commerce Tools, HCL Commerce, and many more. We do these e-commerce integrations within 2 to 3 weeks of time of our solution. Now let me provide you some business benefits of using our 3D custom builder. Create. You can easily create tailor-made experience by letting customer customize and personalize as per their choice. Convert. It will be easier to convert customers into creators by building a curiosity around the building tool and help customers visualize their products before purchase. Reduce. Reduction in the returns is a fixed key by helping customers understand the product better before buying or ordering as well. Increase. A definite business benefit would be increase in customer satisfaction using immersive visual experience. Therefore, creating or increasing sales as well. Improve. With the help of our workflow management, you can improve the capability of business agents to help them create product catalogs at ease. Save. And last but not the least, you can surely save time and cost of your photography by building catalogs virtually. I know you're more excited to see our 3D builder in action. So without wasting any further time, I will hand over the forum to Parveen to provide you a brief demo of different 3D custom builders. Parveen, over to you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction and brief explanation. So in the demo, we are going to talk about three different 3D custom builders. The first is cabinet builder, second is kitchen builder, and the third one is bathroom builder. So let's get started with the first builder. On the left hand side of my screen, you can see a sidebar UI where from we will be building and customizing the products. And on the right hand side of my screen, you can see the 3D visualization of an empty room. The UI UX can be customized as per a client requirements. In each of the 3D builder, we have an option called room design, where the user can customize the room size as per his requirement. Let me show how we have made it very easy to relate the 3D with the real world. The user is like able to change the height, width, and the depth as per his requirement. So the user can change the height, width, and depth of the room matching with his room so that he can relate if the designed cabinets fit or will not fit in his or her room. The 3D builder is smart enough to understand the logics of placing the ceiling lights as per the room size. The user can also turn off the false ceiling as per his requirement. And now let's start creating a custom cabinet. For that one, we need a frame first. So let's go to the frame tab where from we can add different kind of frames. Let's add one frame. Various frame sizes can be added in the e-commerce platform catalog, where from the builder can take the catalog data and can show all the available frame sizes. The user can customize the selected frame size as per his requirement too. Also, the user can see the accurate frame sizes given on the frame sites, which change dynamically when the user updates the sizes. These custom sizes can also be manipulated from the e-commerce platform. We can also snap and move the selected frame with the created frames also. Now let's add some interior products into the frames. Let's go to the interior tabs. Here you can see various interior products where you can add the shelf, pull-out tray, hanger rod, pull-out trouser hangers or drawers or multiple various products that can be managed from the catalog that is placed on the e-commerce platform side. So let's try adding some of the products. Let's add the shelf first of all in the selected one. Once you add the shelf, here you can see the shelf is added now, and on top of this one the items will be automatically fetched from the e-commerce or the backend side, and they will be placed automatically according to the size of this frame. So once you place this one product into this one frame, they can be moved up and down according to the requirement, and then you can add another one. Like if I want to add a pull-out tray, you can see a pull-out tray is there now. And if I want to add more shelf into this one, I can simply click and add, and Let's put it somewhere at the bottom. Let's add one more hanger rod into this one. So once you add a hanger rod into this one, there are some products which are being fetched meanwhile, and they will be appearing on the hanger rod itself once they are downloaded on the client side. As you can see, it is having some hanging clothes on the rod itself. You can also change the color of this cabinet frame, and it will change the color of like each and every element, like the shelf, pull out tray, and the drawer also, along with the frame color. So all those laminates that we want to sell, or a seller want to sell, can be placed in the e-commerce platform side catalog, and that same can be fetched on the application side. Now let's add the drawer also. So let me select it again. So the application is quite very smart. So it will tell you like you have selected it or not selected it. Like if I'm selecting nothing and clicking on something, it will tell me like please select a wardrobe to proceed. So the things can be done very easily. And even after like doing all those configuration, if you think like the room size is very large, your room size is very large, and you want to add some more items into this one, so you just need to select it and go to the sizes, and you can directly customize the size on your need. all those uh, all those like placed items into the shelf, into the uh, hanger, they will automatically get placed. So let's add one more thing over here. Let's add the pull out trouser hanger. And meanwhile it is being downloaded, and once it is downloaded, it will be placed on the center of the wardrobe, and it will also place those trousers into the cabinet itself. Some ready combinations can also be added to populate all those products into the frame automatically. The application is quite smart in order to move the cabinets, frames, and in order to move the products within the frames, and moving frame along the walls. If I am moving the wardrobe along to the front wall, it will stick to the front wall only. And if I am moving the wardrobe to the left wall, it will stick to the left wall only. As you can see, now I am moving the wardrobe or the frame on the left wall. Now let's see if change the size of this one frame, and let's try to move it along to the wall side, and let's move the created cabinet frame moving near to the corner of this one. As you can see, it is not going beyond the or intersecting the existing frame on the corner side. And if I change the room width also, it will automatically be sticking with the wall itself. Like with the left wall, there is a one frame sticking with it, and it is automatically be moving with the wall. And if I'm changing the width beyond the limits, it will notify me like there are some wardrobe which are not being fitted into the room itself, and it will notify me to revert back the sizes to fit the wardrobes correctly. The created wardrobe can be moved on the left wall or the right wall as per the user requirement. Now let's try adding multiple frames into the room so that we can see the room management, how the space manager works and manages all those room space accordingly. And if there is no space, it will notify us if the frame can be placed or cannot be placed. Let me show you one more example of the space manager. Like for the selected one, if I want to rescale it to a larger size, and it won't let me do that one because the size cannot be fitted in the same area. Now if I delete the frame and rescale any of the other frame, then as per the available size, it can be resized accordingly to a larger size. As you can see, if I'm changing the size to 72 inches, it is saying like it cannot be fitted because there is no space available on the particular area. So as you can see in this one customizer, we can customize various things. We can manage the space accordingly as per our need. Once a user is satisfied with building his own cabinet and customizing the space as per the need, he can also add the various things like accessories and other things. Let me show you. Handheld accessories, lights, and doors can be added. Like if the user want to add the doors, he can select the frame. He just need to select the frame and can add these various doors. So as of now on the e-commerce platform, we have configured two different type of door designs, and they can be simply applied on any of the uh, wardrobe size. So that is all on the 3D custom cabinet builder side. Let's move to the next one. Let's get started with our kitchen builder. So as I told you before, like there are room design in the each of the builder. So in this one particular room design, we have some added features over here. Like if you want to change the floor texture, we can simply change the floor textures. Like if the user want to change the floor tiling to the to a marble one, or these things can be managed on the backend side, or from the 3D platform side, where we have managed all those 3D products that can be sold or can be created or managed on the 3D DD plus uh, technology side. Okay, so let's move forward on this one. On the wall texture side, we have various wall textures which can be added, as you can see. Okay, so now let's start adding something beautiful on the kitchen side. So let's add some of the lower cabinets in this one. So there are various lower cabinets in this one. We have uh, lower corner cabinet. Let me add that one. So once we add this one, and we can move it along to the any one of the wall. Even we can manage all these things, like which kind of kitchen we are going to design. Like in the kitchen type, we can see various kitchen designs. Like in this one, currently we are configuring with the U-shaped kitchen design, which is like. All those furniture can go on the left wall, front wall, or the right wall, but they cannot go on the back wall. So these things can be managed from the kitchen type style. So if I select any of them, it will notify or will show me like which is the interactive area uh, that can be used in order to interact with the furniture. So now you can see, like if I'm moving this one furniture onto the front wall or moving it to the right wall also, you can see it is not going on the right wall itself because it is sticking with the front wall only. The configuration is set to the single wall kitchen front wall only. So we can modify all those things accordingly. So in this one space, this is also a smart method to manage all those spaces and managing all those furnitures in a correct manner. So let's add some of more furniture into this one so that we can visualize the kitchen in a nice manner. Let's add a sink. Let's add a double door cabinet. And once you add all of those things, like I want to keep this one over here and keep this one over here, and that is all in the cabinet side that I want. Let's add some of the upper cabinets. So I want to add a small upper cabinet over here at the corner. Then I want to add some more, like upper single door plain one, which is a larger one, and I want to add the same thing. Now, once I done with this thing, I want to add some of the like a full height cabinet or so. So I can go to the full height cabinet, and there is one cabinet of the full height that we can add. And all these things are like the space management is quite easy. As you can see, it is not intersecting with uh, any of the existing furniture. It is going only beyond that one if there is no space available. As you can see, I'm holding the click and moving it, and if I'm my cursor is going over these items, it is not intersecting these ones, but instead of that one, it is like jumping after that one, or keeping at the same place only. Let's add some more things. Like if I want to add chimney over here, I can simply add it. So I have the chimney now, but I don't have, I have not added the stove as of now. So let's add that one. But as you can see, the configuration is currently with the front wall only. So let me change it to the U-shape one, so that I can move the furniture on the this side also. So as you can see, if I'm moving the furniture on any of the wall, it is flashing in a green color and telling me like you are interacting with this one particular area or this one particular wall. So let's add uh, this stove over here. Let me add the burner stove. Okay. So we can add various things over here. Like if I want to add a dishwasher, I can also add a dishwasher also. So as you can see, this everything is coming on the front wall because there is some space available. Uh, so once you do that one, okay. Now, if I want to move this one for full height cabinet over this wall, I can do that one also. And if I want to add one fridge over here in this one side, I can add the fridge over here. And now, if any of the customer or any of the user want to change the vinyl, change the stone, or change the handle colors or anything, they can customize, or they can do various things with the kitchen builder itself. So let me show you how to do that one. If I select any of the furniture, like if I'm selecting this one full height cabinet, you can see you can see various things over here, like the wood texture. If I want to change the wood texture in this one manner or this one manner, or if I want to keep the plain color, some of the gray, white, black, or any of the color, you can see that one. And the finish automatically applies on the same color as per the selection. And if I want to change the handle color or the handle color, you can see if I'm selecting the white one is being applied. If I want to select the golden one, you can see the golden one color is applied on the handle. So that is very easy to customize. Like if I'm selecting this one and changing the color of these handles, I can change the handle colors easily. Even if I want to change the stone color, which is the top stone color, as you can see, it is being changed easily. And the all these different kind of configurations and the colors and the textures, all these things can be configured on the 3D plus a platform side, or can be managed on the e-commerce side. So let me rearrange it in a correct manner so that everything comes in a correct place. So let's add one thing correctly over here. So like this way we can easily manage and create a custom kitchen as per our need. Even after that, when we have multiple appliances to be added, like if I want to add different design of the fridge, I can simply add that one like this one. and even you can really see the sizes of each and every item. Like this fridge is having this kind of dimension, or this kind of particular cabinet, the lower cabinet is having this kind of dimension, and what is the price of this one. All these prices can be fetched from the platform, from the backend platform side, and all these stone configuration, metal configuration, all these things can be specifically managed for each and every product also. Even to make it more realistic, we can add some of the doors and windows. Like if I want to add a door over here, I can simply click on the door and cannot add a door over here. And if I want to delete any of the object, I can simply select that one particular object and can delete that one. So let's try adding a window over here, so to make it more realistic. Even if I want to add something underneath the window, I can do that one also. So let's add some of like drawers or something. Or cabinet, drawer cabinet. Let's add a lower cabinet. So in this way we can manage multiple things, and we can recreate the things as per our need. Okay, that is all on the kitchen cabinet side. One more thing that I would like to tell you, like we have a predefined templates also over here. Like we can create some predefined templates for those people, for those sellers who just want to sell the laminates or the stone, or some particular kind of elements which are being used in the kitchen products, so that we can simply add any kind of a template of the kitchen, and then we can simply modify some of the things as per our requirement. Like if we just want to showcase or want to sell only the uh, top veneers, we can simply do that one. Okay, that is all on the kitchen builder side. So let's move to the bathroom builder side. So in this one builder, we have the same similar kind of configurations like we had in the kitchen one. So we have all these configuration like floor texturing. If you want to add the floor as a marble floor, if you want to change the uh, tiles of the walls, like here we can see some different tiles that we saw in the kitchen builder. Want to change the tile to this one, I can change that. So there are various wall tiles that can be added in this one configuration. In the bathroom builder, we have different fitted furniture. Like in the basin mirror, we have these different kind of basin mirror. If I choose this one, you can see some different designs. Uh, Let me show you some of the different designs so that we can download it and compare it side by side also. So if user want to sell various kind of different designs in terms of like mirror, these basin vanity utilities, so they can sell up their different utilities in our platform, and even they can showcase that one. And there are multiple configuration that they can sell. Like if they want to change, let me show you. If a user want to customize the wood color, he can simply select these wood colors and can see the configuration, what it will look like. And if the user want to change the stone texture, he can also change the stone texture in that one also. Also different kind of metal textures we have configured in this one application. So whatever is available on the client side or is available in the market, that can be placed on the e-commerce side and can be fetched in the application and can be showcased. And according to like whatever we add in the room itself, everything can be like added into a cart and can be showed like there are how many type of furniture we have added and what is the configuration of that one. Like in this one particularly, if I added same kind of basin mirror twice, so I can see like two items have been placed with this one price, and this is the name of the item, and this is the size, the dimension of the uh, item. The same way that we were like doing in the kitchen, we have the same add to cart functionality where we can see all these different element with their sizes and with their prices also. So each and everything is there in terms of like selling any of the product. We have various functionalities and features. So let me delete this one, and let's create a beautiful bathroom. Uh, like how we can create that one. So we can take it to any other wall. Like it is being configured for like any of the it can be placed on any of the wall. So let's do this one. Mm, Now I want to add a commode. So I want to add this one on this side and this one on this side, and then I want to add a bathtub. This one particular bathtub I want, and I want this one bathtub to be placed over here. And in this one particular application, as you can see, if you switch over to the another wall, this one particular wall's furniture, which is like associated with this one left wall, it gets hidden once you go beyond that one. Like once the angle is changed, these particular furniture get hidden so that you can easily see the visualization of the other walls and can customize that one particularly. So multiple various things we have placed in this one. Let's add a shower now. So whatever the shower you want, you can add. There are two showers in this one. Let me add this one also. If there is space available, then it will go beyond this one. If there is no space available, then it won't go. Okay, so as you can see, the furniture is hidden automatically. And after this one, if I want to add some kind of door or a window, as of now, let's just add a door. Now we have like a beautiful bathroom completed. And if I want to add some kind of uh, a different product, like I want to add some taps in the bathtub. For that one, we have like a different tab for this one configured for this one particular bathtub. So let's try adding different tabs. So even if I want to change the color of these tabs, I can do that one also. So once you are like satisfied with the configuration, you can take it to the cart functionality and can go for a checkout process. So all those things can be done within our application. So it is built for like built with various functionalities, features that can help various sellers or various architectural firms in terms of taking their business onto new heights. And that is all in the demo from my side. Now I would like to request my colleague to take it forward.
Hello, Praveen. Thank you for handing this over to me. So in our last segment, we're just gonna covering a little bit about our client testimonial. So one of our clients, Augusta Sportswear, has been, using our 3D builder for quite some time now. And as per their, review, their overall customer activity has increased by 80% because the customer can plug and play with the product itself. So, that customer retention on their website keeps on increasing. There is this overall increase of 400% in the revenue. So the revenue was 5 million, but after using our 3D product, it's been around 24 million. So that's the kind of engagement that it brings. The overall, customer operational cost has been decreased as well by 15%. There is this reduction of production and delivery time by 60% because their entire procurement has the entire, detail of the customized product beforehand, so they can work accordingly as per the SLAs. There is this product customization done of 100K as well. So I mean there are many advantages of having a 3D builder, and I would definitely say that you should at least use our trial version and see how it works, so that you get a complete idea and you can deep dive further into the solution as well. uh, yes, we are open for Q&A. Please go ahead and ask us any questions that you might have, and we'd be happy to answer. Thank you for being part of the webinar, and hopefully we're going to meet you soon. Thank you.